In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Webflow templates. Start by opening your browser and searching for How to Sell Webflow Templates. From the search page, head into the main web results so you're looking at official, up-to-date information rather than ads or unrelated content. Once you land on Webflow's resources, look for the call to action that says Become a Template Designer. Click it, and on the next page, you'll likely see a similar prompt again. Go ahead and click Become a Template Designer once more to reach the application details. When you're on the Applications page, choose Become a Webflow Template Designer to begin the process. Before you apply, take a moment to review the program information. Click into the section that explains earnings, often labeled Earn Competitive Payouts for Your Template Sales, and note the 95% payout highlight so you understand the revenue share structure. Then explore success stories to see what approved creators are doing well. It's a great way to calibrate your quality bar and set expectations. Next, open View Dashboard to get familiar with where submissions and performance are managed once you're approved. If there's a Show More option anywhere on the page, expand it to reveal important fine print and requirements you don't want to miss. Now, apply to become a certified creator. You'll submit a portfolio that demonstrates strong, clean, and fully responsive design. Select work that shows consistent typography, thoughtful layout, accessible color contrast, and smooth interactions. Include projects that look great across desktop, tablet, and mobile, and make sure links and forms actually work. When you design and develop your templates, use a structured CSS methodology. Client first or a similar system works well. Keep class naming clear and predictable, and include essential pages like Home, About, and Contact. Build reusable components, set global styles for headings and paragraphs, configure navigation and footers properly, and optimize assets for fast load times. Adhere to Webflow's listed requirements throughout your build. Follow the technical, content, and brand guidelines on the application page, and double-check everything against their review criteria before submitting. For marketing and sales, prepare a compelling listing. Write a clear description, show real use cases, include high-quality screenshots, and link to a live demo. Use keywords your audience would search for so your template is discoverable. To succeed long-term, focus on quality and documentation. Target specific niches like portfolios, SaaS, or e-commerce, and maintain updates as Webflow releases new features. Keep your structure tight with consistent class names and limit combo classes to avoid complexity. With these steps,